In the sweat of thy face shall thou eat bread, till thou return unto the ground. For out of it was thou taken. But dust thou art, and unto dust thou shalt return. He has cast me into the mire, and I become like dust and ashes. Every one of them has gone back. They are altogether become filthy. There is none that does good, no, not one. But it's happened unto them, according to the true proverb. The dog turned to his own vomit again, and the sow that was washed to a wallowing in the mire. When he is about to fill his belly, God shall cast the fury of his wrath upon him, and shall rain it upon him while he is eating. And while the flesh was yet between their teeth, while it was chewed, the wrath of God was kindled against the people, and the Lord smote the people with a very great plague. He rained flesh also upon them as dust. But now, O Lord, thou art the Father, we are the clay, and thou art the potter. We are all the work of thy hand. Then I went down to the potter's house, and behold, he wrought his work on the wheels. And the vessel that he made of clay was marred in the hand of the potter. So he made it again, another vessel, as it seemed good to the potter to make it. Have not the potter power over the clay of the same lump, to make one vessel unto honor and another unto dishonor? And change the glory of the uncorruptible God into an image made like corruptible man.